Assalamu alaikum, friends. Welcome back to Shankar Dewan Official, where we discuss life-changing topics to inspire positive change. The new year is here, and with it comes the perfect opportunity to set goals that can transform your life. But here's the catch: setting goals is easy. Staying consistent is where most people fail. In today's video, I'll share a practical guide to setting meaningful goals and staying committed to them throughout the year. So, let's get started. Step 1. Reflect on the past year. First, let's talk about reflection. Before you set new goals, take a moment to look back at the past year. Ask yourself, what did I achieve? Where did I struggle? What lessons did I learn? Understanding your past helps you set better goals for the future. For example, if you struggled with time management last year, you can set a goal to improve it this year. Step 2. Define your goals clearly. Now, let's move to step 2. Defining your goals. Your goals should be smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Instead of saying, I want to be successful, define what success looks like. For instance, I want to save 50,000 rupees by December, or I will read one book every month. Clear goals make it easier to track progress. Step 3. Break down goals into small steps. Big goals can feel overwhelming, so break them down into smaller, actionable steps. For example, if your goal is to start a new business, your smaller steps could be: 1. Research the market. 2. Write a business plan. 3. Start saving money for investment. When you focus on small steps, you'll feel less pressure and more motivated. Step 4. Create a schedule and stick to it. Consistency requires discipline. Set aside specific times in your daily or weekly schedule to work on your goals. Use tools like calendars or apps to remind you. Treat these scheduled times as appointments you cannot miss. Remember, success is built one day at a time. Step 5. Stay accountable and track progress. Accountability is key. Share your goals with a friend or family member who can keep you in check. You can also journal your progress weekly or monthly to see how far you've come. Celebrate small wins along the way. They'll keep you motivated. Step 6. Be ready for challenges. Challenges will come, and that's okay. Life is unpredictable, but don't let obstacles derail you. If you miss a step or fail one week, don't give up. Adjust your plan, refocus, and keep moving forward. Remember, progress is more important than perfection. My friends, the new year is a fresh start, a chance to build the life you've always wanted. Setting goals is not just about dreaming big, but about taking consistent action. Follow these steps, and I promise, you'll see real progress by the end of the year. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Shankar Dewan Official for more inspiring content. Comment below and share one goal you're setting for this year. I'd love to hear from you.